Is the most difficult thing to you? Number 13. Do you know the answer? This number. Add 19 and 6 is 25. It's 25, right? What's wrong then? In this box, what's wrong? 19 plus 6 is equals 25. It's right. So what's wrong then?
Right.
It says something is wrong. The question is something is wrong. What's that? What's wrong? But you don't know what's wrong. Okay, I'll show you. 27 6 equals 27 minus 25.
그냥 그게 아니에요.
It's wrong. What? Why? Something is wrong. You know, there's an order to follow from left to right. Not this part. It's wrong.
근데 더하기는 그냥 더하는 순서 그냥 더하면 된다는데 더하기만 있는 거는
That's right, but anyway, you should follow the rules. The rule is you should calculate from the left to the right. You should subtract this number first. You should calculate this first and then plus 6. That's the order, right order, okay? So equals, can you do that? Oh, you are not good at subtraction, right? I'm gonna show you how to do that, okay? We start with ones place first, ones place, okay?
I know.
You know, that's right. So ones place, what's the ones place of this number? 7. Can you do this? No, the answer is minus 2. But you don't know this number about negative number. You haven't learned this yet. So you should borrow numbers from tens place. If you borrow 10,
그러면 우리 1을
that's right. Then it becomes 17, right? 17 minus 9. What's that? 8. That's right. 8. So ones place is 8. Let's go to the tens place. Then what's that? You borrowed 10 from 20. Hey, look at that. So you should 10 minus 10. What's that? What's the answer?
0.
10 minus 10. It's 10 now. So 0. So it's 0. 10 plus 0, 1 plus 8. So the answer is 8. 8. Yeah. That's the order.
그리고
It's the
다른
right order.
계산은 쉽게 계산하는 방법을 잘못된 걸로 하는 걸 아는데
Of course, you can do this first, like this. 2 plus 3 plus 7. You can do this first, actually. It's 10 plus 2, 12, right? But it's not correct rule. You should do this first, like this. 5 and 7. And this is the right way. But the correct order is this one, from left to right. Okay. And then which one? Write down those numbers. 55. Look at that. I told you about the order of calculation. We should do this. We should calculate this first, right? 55 minus 18. Let's start with ones place. For ones place, 5 is smaller than.
너무 많이 봤다
Wait.
이거 가지고 이거 많이 내줬어.
So you borrow number 10 from 10th place, then it's gonna be 15, right? That's right. So now you should subtract 8 from the 15. That's right. And then now it's time to check the 10th place. That's right. So 기억 equals 37. Now it's time to this.
이거 실수하면 안 돼.
Now it's time to add number 14.
아니.
37,
아.
right?
야,
So what's the answer now? Now what's the answer? That's right. Yes. 41. That's correct. Yes. You did well. Sejong? It's still difficult for you? Okay. Yeah, you already know the answer. You don't need to do this now. Then which one? Then another one.
없어.
Any trouble with this? Oh, this one. Number 19. You subtract 27 from some number. This was the question, but actually you added.
뭐에서 23을 더했어.
You did this. You did this. And the answer was 52.
그럼 여기서 이거 빼면 이거 먼저 하기.
That's right.
네,
So then, to know this number,
이제 이걸 알았으니까 이걸 다시 더해서 왜 나오는 거 여기.
that's correct. You already know.
그럼 이제 더 안 해.
There's nothing to know. Everything okay? Okay, everything alright?
네.
That's cool. By the way, why did you? Why did you get this wrong? It's easy, but you got it wrong. It's just mistake.
그럼 다음에 또 하는데 아직도 못했어.
So can you?
이거라도 이거한 건데.
So can you do this alone? Can you show me on the board? It's not important to know the correct answer. I want to know. I want to see that the process you calculate. So show me how to calculate that. The way. Okay? Did you do that?
근데
Mm.
또 나이가 많아지면 이런 거 X라고
That's right.
영어로 해?
Equation. I already told you about the equation many times, right? You just use this x instead of this bar. You don't need to use this bar. Use x then if you want to use that word. Use the symbol. Well, actually you added number 15, and the answer was 47. There. Okay. Now, can you solve this one? Can you get this number? Well, I can't see what you are thinking if you don't write anything. I want to see how to solve that. I want to see that. So could you show me
이게
that?
뭐야?
It's a tape. Still, your computer still about the subtraction. You don't need to borrow. First, you should this first, right? Ones place is 7. 7 minus 5. What's that? 7 minus 5.
2.
2, yes, write the 2. Write down the 2. And then 40 minus 1, 10. 40 minus 10. What's that? That's right, that's the answer. You don't need to borrow numbers, right? Because one's place is bigger. This one is bigger than this one. So you don't need to borrow any number. You only borrow this number is smaller than this number. Smaller than. Like 2, 1 is smaller than 5. At that time, you borrow numbers from one tenth place, okay? So here is 32. Could you write down number 32 here? 32. Now it's time to calculate 32 minus 15. What's the answer? Look at the ones place. 2 and the 5. You have to do 2 minus 5 first. Which one is bigger? 5 is bigger. So you have to borrow number from tenth place like this. 32 minus 15. Okay? You should do ones place first. 2 minus 5. What's the answer? You can do this.
Minus 3.
Minus 3. Oh! Okay, you can do the minus 3. Just you didn't borrow everything. What's this then? Which one? 30 minus 10. What's that?
괜찮아?
30 minus 10.
어?
30 minus 10. 20.
어?
20 minus 3. What's
그렇지
that?
않은데 너무 덥고 아니 너무
17. Yeah. If you know, do you know negative numbers? If you know negative numbers, you don't need to borrow numbers from the tens place or 100 places. Can you do this? 32 minus 8. You can borrow or use just negative number. Ones place first. Ones place first. Yes, you just borrowed 10 from the tens place. So ones place is 4, and then tens place is you just borrow 10. You subtract 10. What are you doing? No. Hey, really, you borrowed 10 from this 3, this 30. So that's right. That's good.